channel. I'm your mother Rudrakanesh. Class 9th coordinate geometry. Okay friends, you have learned this in already 8th class also friends. So again we'll learn this and again I'll learn about to you. Okay friends. So see here friends, we have here one graph. Okay friends, this is the graph. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay friends. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is x1 and this is y1. Because this side y, this side y1, this side x, this side x1. Okay friends. So this squared part from here to here, what is called? This squared part, what is called is that? It is first quadrant. Okay friends. So the squared part is called quadrant from y-axis to this x-axis. Okay friends. From y-axis to x1 axis, for that what we will call? Second quadrant. Yes friends. Second quadrant. Yes friends. So for y and x1 axis we will call this as second quadrant. And for x1 and y1, third. For x and y1 we will call fourth quadrant. Okay friends, so like this we have four quadrants in this graph. Now in this thing you should know the first one is abhisika, psika and ordinate. Okay friends. So in this, what is abhisika means? This x-axis. Okay friends. Abhisika is x-axis and y-axis is ordinate. Okay friends. So abhisika is x-axis and ordinate is y-axis. Now these are all points we have in friends like in graph. Now if you haven't sum, find the x comma y equals to 3 comma 4. Yes friends. So 3 is in x place and 4 is in y place. Yes friends. So what we should do means, here in this x-axis where we have plus 3, not minus 3, only plus 3. Here we have plus 3. Yes friends. We will rub this. So here we have plus 3. We have found it. Now where is 4 in y-axis? Plus 4. So plus 4 here we have. Now let's join it. Okay friends, so what is this means? 3 by 4. Yes friends, so the coordinate of 3 and 4 is 3 by 4 y and x axis. Yes friends, for example you got and sum like this friends. See, minus 4 comma minus 3. Here x-axis is minus 4 and y-axis is minus 3. The x-axis is what? Minus 3 where we have here. And y-axis is 4, sorry friends. In x-axis we should find minus 4. Here we have minus 4, yes friends. And in y-axis where is minus 3? Here. Now let's join these points. So this is minus 4 comma minus 3. x1. Yes, here for example we have a sum like this. 4 comma minus 2. Okay friends. So this is x and this is y. Yes friends. So in x-axis we have found 4. In y-axis where is minus 2? Here we are. Yes friends. Now let's join this point. And 4 comma minus 2. So I think you understood friends. See here friends. When they have give you question, find the coordinate of these points, then you should do like this. First you should see if the first number is there in the bracket is, this is x. In second number we have means this is y. Okay friends. So when you gave numbers, when they gave you numbers, you should find this number in x-axis. So we have found this number in x-axis. Yes friends. And this minus 2 we should find in y-axis. So we have found in y-axis. So now we have got the answer 4 comma minus 2. So for the x we will call Abhisika, for ordinate we will call y. Okay friends, I think you understood. So please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends and family. And please support us and follow our Facebook page, Immerse Studies. The link will be in description. And bye.